Hi, in this video, we're going to be going over how you can become a remote online notary in the state of Colorado. So at BlueNotary, we've got a simple step-by-step guide that's going to walk you through how to do this. It's available as a link in the description of this video below. But once you click that link, you'll be brought to this page and you can just scroll down and see our simple step-by-step guide. So let's walk through this together here. Step number one is you already need to be commissioned as a traditional notary public. Pretty easy. Step number two is you're going to need to complete a RON training course from the Colorado Secretary of State website. You can click this link and it's going to bring you to the e-learning notary training course for you to get going. Step number three is you're going to need to pass the Colorado exam, and it's going to be the same exact thing. You're going to need to come through and take this exam. You're going to go to the e-learning portal and go under notary training and go through the Colorado Notary Public examination. Step number four is you're going to need to sign up with a RON technology provider. So this needs to be a provider that's approved by the state of Colorado. Our recommendation is, of course, to use BlueNotary. Step number five is you're going to need to log into your notary account on the Secretary of State website and complete the application form. So you can click this login link and it's going to bring you to your login page, put in your user ID, password, click login, and then you're going to need to complete the application form for online notarization. Step number seven is you're going to need to upload proof of your training and exam completion. And step number eight is you're going to need to pay a required $10 fee in order for this to go through. You can see your fee schedule here. This is your remote notary application fee. It's just going to be $10. So lastly, you're going to receive confirmation that you are approved to perform remote online notarization in the state of Colorado. So as soon as you have this confirmation, you're able to begin performing remote online notarization. You can upload this approval as your RON approval doc with BlueNotary. If you have any questions about getting started or anything to do with online notarization, please feel free to like, follow, and subscribe. We've got plenty more information on the way.
Are you interested in getting a feel for what an online notarization session would feel like before going through the approval process? You can open up a free account at app.bluenotary.us/business/register. We've left a link in the description on how you can make a free account and left you with a video tutorial of every feature on the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the customer support chat in the bottom right-hand corner, and we'll do our best to get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your notary journey.